I'm Pat Pattison, and I love California.
Hi, this is Liza Pattison with the Best of California Award here with Trey Fletcher. Now, Trey, tell us where we are. It's just gorgeous.
Oh, thank you for saying so. Yeah, we're in the Santa Rita Hills in central coast of California, just 40 minutes north of Santa Barbara here at Sanford Winery at the La Rinconada Vineyard.
Sanford Winery. All right. Well, the first thing that comes to mind for me is, what is the best wine that comes out of here according to you? Is it a Pinot Noir, Sauvignon Blanc?
Well, we don't grow any Sauvignon Blanc, but we're really known for our Pinot Noirs. But I think the sleeper is the Chardonnay.
The Chardonnay. All right. Can you describe it to us?
Yeah, so it's a cooler area. We're close to the ocean, and our Chardonnays are usually very elegant, very bright, very mineral, and they go down really beautifully.
Now, which one is that? The same one that's your favorite wine to personally drink?
I like them both. You know, they're kids. You get along with one better than the other, but you love them the same.
Exactly. Well, what's the best way to get around the winery?
Well, there's several ways, but the best way is the ATV. So
ATV. Now, what's an ATV? Explain that.
It's an all-terrain vehicle, so you know, it's really important to be able to see and understand and kind of feel a place, and the most authentic way to do that is out in the vineyard.
All right, we're going on the ATV ride. You know how to drive this thing?
I'm licensed.
Okay, that's good enough for me. Let's get going. Where are we headed?
Well, we're going to go look around La Rinconada Vineyards and see if we can see some flowers that'll be grapes in the future, and see how the vines are growing.
How long does it take for grapes to reach maturity?
Yeah, they're kind of like people. They all take their time in different stages. A Pinot Noir is usually quicker, you know, and Chardonnay is a little later. And so usually they'll ripen in September and October. That's the harvest season for us. All of our wines are aged, usually about 2 winters in barrel, and that really helps the wine come into itself. So here we have some Chardonnay on our left, and you can see all the what someone would think of as weeds underneath, and that's because we don't spray any herbicide on the vines out here. And
So all organic.
So all the growth up top. That's all the new growth that's just started in the last month.
We recently had a lot of rains. Did that affect it positively or negatively for you guys?
For us, it's nothing but a positive. So we're at 200% our annual rainfall, and in farming and in life, we need rainfall. So we're really happy about it.
Beautiful. And those were the Chardonnay that you had mentioned that you like so much. Now, what would you pair that Chardonnay with? Your Chardonnay?
Yeah, Chardonnay's great with almost anything. I love it with oysters. I love it with salad, or something as simple as a cheese course. It's really versatile, and like I said earlier, it tastes good just next to the pool.
Yes, you're making me feel like we're going to go off to an oasis somewhere. This is just so gorgeous. Trey, thank you so much. This is so much fun. Where are we headed for our last stop?
You're going to take us back to the hospitality room, and we're going to go taste some wine.
All right, let's check it out. Here we are in the tasting room. We're going to come over here and meet with Neil. Our director, Brad. Tell us about what we're about to enjoy, Neil.
So I'm gonna pour you the 2017 La Rinconada Pinot Noir. What's special about this is that it's on this westerly bank here, and it gets battered by the wind every day. So the vines have to be hardier, the fruit has to be hardier, so the skins are thicker. We get this great extraction, which gives us earthiness and structure with this nice acidic finish. The other special thing about this wine is that it's 2017. And so
2017, okay, so I was just kidding.
Right, so it's drinking beautifully right now, super balanced. Compare with a chicken or grilled pork chop on top of some mashed potatoes with some goat cheese sauce. It would be delicious, and it's just, you know, a special thing to have at the winery.
Beautiful. Well, Brad, what do you think?
Wow, that's good.
That's some good stuff. Well, thank you so much, Neil. And is this one your absolute favorite? I heard some talk about the Chardonnay as well.
My top 3 for sure, but the Chardonnays are special here as well.
Thank you so much, Neil. This was special.
You bet. My pleasure.
Thank you.
All right, my pleasure. Cheers.
Cheers.